Rumble. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's flip this back around and go ahead and get some videos out the way. Today's topic is I'd hit that because y'all already know I got one rolled up and I ain't playing with you. You dig? Let's see. It's over here. Yeah, hit that. The ready to go playlist. See, that's Sunday, baby. We ready to go. I already reorganized the list. Go ahead, hit the play all, Corey. Go ahead, hit the play all. The pre work was put in. The prep was done. Let's go. Pick a strain, whatever you want, you can get. Indica sativa, never rolling plain Jane. I know some people, if you want, drop 50, we ain't gon' cop any. Little mama got plenty, so many strain, pumping the flame, nothing but dro. One for the brain, one for the body, one for the soul. Running with strange, keeping the party under control. Up, away, flying, how far are we gonna go? Smoke team in the building, got 'em is what the deal is. Recognize coming with Burns, Felix with Filming County boy, got the liquor. Castle was on the fader, Stevie came with the greenery, mixing multiple flavors, whatever you want, homie. Tell me when to say when. How about you and your friends? Come get with me and my friends and keep it real with me, girl. I don't want to pretend like this is a new thing. Really, that's what it's been like. Now, for those who don't know, I suggest you go ahead and hit up your favorite artists. Hello and welcome back to YouTube channels and ask them to do exactly what my guy right there just did. I need you to come out with a acapella version of one of your verses. Just pick a verse and do it acapella. That way it can be non-copyrightable and usable on YouTube for me. So I can do reviews on your shit. I can't review your content because you got copyrights on it through the company. But you could always go live or you just get on the video, no beats in the background, and spit your verses. That way I can clip it and use it. But if you don't want me to review, I understand because some people don't want you using their work. It's understandable, but guess what? Today's first video is out the 420 origin story because it's 420 National Weed Smokers Holiday and it just so happens to be Easter this year. So we got a lot going on as usual. That's how it goes. You ain't just have one problem. Not only do you got to make sure you buy the kids little Easter outfits, put together them little Easter baskets, bags, and gifts, and make sure they have an appreciation in the Lord, but then you got to be ready to get out of church, have something on that grill, and have something rolled up. Hey, look at it. It's looking at me. But y'all know how that be. Video says welcome. Hopefully you feel welcome in my house because you probably done hit that thumbs up, so I appreciate that. To our channel. Every year on April 20th, millions of people across the globe come together to celebrate a number, 420. It's a symbol that's appeared on t-shirts, posters, dispensary windows, and in popular culture. But ask a dozen people what it actually means, and you'll probably get a dozen different answers. In this video, we're digging into the origins of 420, what it means today, and how it's become a global celebration of cannabis and community. But before we begin, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Also, please remember that this is an educational video, and therefore all information provided is for educational purposes only. Now, let's get started. Chapter 1. The Origin Story. In preparation for getting into the heart of today's story, it's worth taking a moment to clear up some of the confusion surrounding the number 420. For decades, it's been the subject of widespread myths, urban legends, and misinterpretations. To fully appreciate its significance, we need to separate fact from fiction. Let's start off with one of the most enduring misconceptions. 420 is a police radio code for marijuana-related offenses. For those of you who have thought this to be correct, I am sorry to say there's no evidence to support this, as no police department in the United States, or anywhere else in the world, use 420 in that context. Another commonly held belief is that it refers to a section of California's legal code pertaining to cannabis. That, too, is false. In reality, California Penal Code 420 deals with trespassing on public land, not cannabis in any form. There have also been claims that 420 refers to the number of chemical compounds found in the cannabis plant. While that number might have once seemed plausible, it's no longer accurate. In fact, the American Chemical Society published findings in February 2024 identifying over 550 distinct chemical compounds in cannabis plants, ultimately dispelling that theory as well. Now that we've cleared up some of the most common misconceptions, let's turn to the real story behind